Can I quickly show you something so freaking cool? Look at how dirty these makeup brushes are, okay? Look at them. I want to do an eyeshadow look with clean brushes now, but like, how am I going to wash these in time? Never. So I'm here to introduce you the SpOIL'tique Beauty Quick Color Switch. So it's a dry brush cleaner. So it's reusable, it removes any eyeshadow from your brushes. All you have to do is swatch it around like that. Look at that. Like, I love this so much. And now I've got clean brushes to go into my next eyeshadow look. Look at that. And the best part is you can literally turn it around, pop it back in, easy to clean, washable. So to make your life easier and your makeup time stress-free and hassle-free, get your hands on this at SpOIL'tique Beauty.